Good day everyone! I'm Diana Marie Cedillo. Welcome to our company overview presentation. So today, we are proud to introduce PrimeTech Solution. We are a leading firm operating in the BPO and IT services industry, proudly headquartered right here in the Philippines. Our core business model focuses on outsourcing excellence. We provide comprehensive services including customer service, IT support, and data processing. We serve a diverse and global client base, spanning across the United States, Europe, and Asia, ensuring we meet international standards and quality. Our strength lies in our people. We maintain a balanced and highly capable workforce. 70% are skilled professionals consisting of IT experts and business analysis. 30% are non-skilled roles, primarily are dedicated customer service representatives. These structures allows us to handle both technical complexity and frontline support with equal efficiency. Looking ahead, we have identified key markets for strategic expansions. Here is why we are targeting these regions. First, the USA. It remains the largest outsourcing market globally, offering access to high-paying clients and long-term partnerships. Next is Germany. As the economic powerhouse of Europe, it offers a strong, stable economy and direct access to the broader European client network. We are also looking at Australia. It offers the advantage of English-speaking workforce combined with very stable and clear labor regulations. Finally, China. This market provides a massive labor supply and is home to rapidly growing tech industry, representing huge opportunities for collaboration and growth.
Good day everyone, I am Angela Maybe Benka. I will discuss the legal regulation analysis. So each country has different labor laws that direct affect compensation benefits and employer responsibilities. For example, is Philippines Labor Code of Philippines, minimum wage set by regional wages boards, and working hours is 8 hours a day. Overtime 125% beyond 8 hours. And contribution naman is SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. And to the next is United States Fair Labor Standard Act. So first is minimum wage, federal state rates. Working hours is 4 hours week, 40 hours per week. Overtime is 1.6 regulation pay of 4 hours. And contribution naman is Social Security, Medicare, and so Germany is minimum wage as minimum wage is nationwide, and working hours is 8 hours per day, and overtime extra pay or time off. This contribution is health, pension, and unemployed insurance. So sa Australia naman is Fair Work Act 2009. So minimum wage is national minimum. Work hours 38 hours a week, and overtime paid extra on awards. And contribution is retirement insurance.
Good day everyone, I'm Jiwala Nasuwan and I'll represent the compensation package design of PrimeTech Solution. Our objective is to create a compensation system that is competitive in each country, legally compliant, and aligned with the cost of living. We also aim to attract and retain employees while ensuring the company remains financially sustainable in all regions. For this analysis, we use the position of customer service representative since it is a core role in the BPO industry and common across all countries. As shown in the table, salaries vary significantly depending on the country. The United States and Australia have the highest salaries at around 140,000 pesos per month due to higher cost of living. Germany follows closely, while China and the Philippines have a lower salary levels, which reflects their lower labor costs. These salaries are based on the market average and the realistic industry benchmark. However, base salary is not the only expense. Employers are also required to provide government-mandated contributions. For example, Germany has one of the highest employer contribution rates, which significantly increase total costs. Australia includes superannuation, while the United States requires Social Security and Medicare contribution. As a result, the total employer cost is much higher than the base salary alone, reaching up to around 150,000 pesos or more in developed countries. This highlights the importance of considering full compensation costs, not just a salary. In addition to salary, we provide a comprehensive benefits package. This includes health insurance, paid leave, and retirement contribution. In the Philippines, the 13-month pay is also mandatory. We also include allowance such as transportation, meal, housing, and internet support to improve employee satisfaction. Most importantly, all compensation packages are aligned with the labor laws such as the Labor Code of the Philippines, Fair Labor Standards Act, Minimum Wage Act, Fair Work Act 2009, and Labor Law of the People's Republic of China. This ensures that our company remains fully compliant in each country.
This slide shows the salaries from different countries converted into Philippine pesos so they are easier to compare. We can see that the Philippines has 20,000 while the USA, Germany, and Australia range from around 130,000 to 140,000. So, exchange rate impact. This slide shows how exchange rate can affect company costs. If the Philippine peso weakens by 10%, the cost of paying employees abroad increases. For example, the USA cost goes from 150,500 to 165,550,000. This means the company will spend more overall. On the other hand, if the peso strengthens by 10%, the cost decreases, so exchange rate changes directly impact the company's total payroll and budget.
Legal and financial risk. This slide explains the legal and financial risk of the company. Legal risk happen when the company does not follow labor laws in different countries. This can lead to penalties, fines, or even lawsuits since each country has different rules. It can be challenging to manage. Financial risks include change in exchange rates. For example, if the currency changed by 10%, the company may end up paying more for salaries. This risk can affect the company profit and overall operation. Talent and operational risk. This slide focuses on talent and operational risk. Talent risk include high employee turnover, strong salary competition, and difficulty in hiring skilled workers. If employees leave often, the company may struggle to maintain performance. Operation risks include cultural differences, time zone challenges, and communication barriers between countries. Also, higher labor costs and increasing employer contribution can add more pressure. All of these factors can affect productivity and the quality of the service. Reference. These are the sources used in this. These are